strong one. I got turned around. Wow, I got lucky on that one. I saw him hit it up right as it hit the water. That was amazing. They had already stopped hitting. Oh wow, yeah, he's a strong guy. I might have to cruise his direction. I don't want to scare the rest of the fish though. Although this is see how much drag they take. Wow, wow. You got to be really careful though to make sure they don't turn back around at you, and they start running so fast you can't keep up, and they spit the hook. Wow, this is like the best fishing I've ever done. I probably say that in most of my videos, but I gotta say, chasing these false albacore down on a jet ski takes the cake. Hopefully y'all can see what's going on. I know we've been blasting through some water here. Alright, here we go. Here we go. We're gaining on him a little bit. I'm gonna turn off the engine so I don't scare him. Oh, I need to get my net ready too. Since I've lost a few nets, I take some precautions as far as keeping it down here. He's coming in easy now. It's too easy. Make sure he doesn't. Oh, yep, he's not ready yet. He's going the other way now. Oh, yeah. Try to get this net. Okay. There we go. I feel his head shaking. There we go. Net's ready. Tighten the drag a little bit. Woo! Yeah, he's pulling hard. These guys are so tough, it's crazy. So glad I came out here today. It's nice and choppy. Your average person stayed home. So I'm glad I got this jet ski. Wow. He is still pulling down. These are some big ones the last couple of days. Big ones. Yeah, he's shaking weirdly. Oh, come on. Start tightening the drag down on this guy, but I don't want to break the line. It's only a 15-pound line. Look at that water. You can see the water shimmering. It's probably from the bait fish these false albacore are devouring its little scales. I'm never going to be able to find. Look, your friends are way down that way. Oh, I just saw a flash of him. He's getting close. He's getting close. Yeah, he's under the boat. He's under the boat. All right. Oh. Dang. Forearm starts to get tired fighting these guys. Look at him. I read an article the other day. It said a 20-pound false albacore is stronger than a 70-pound yellowfin tuna. Oh man, this is a big one too. This is. He looks like a bonito almost. Oh no, it's a falsy man. He's a big one. Look how big. Oh man, can't get him in the net. Oh, he's hooked. Oh no. I thought the lure was hooked on the net. He's too big for the net. Wow, you're a monster, buddy. You're a monster. It's okay, buddy. I'm gonna get you out of here. You want to be the Brad's record here. Brad's state record. Hold it. Real fast, buddy. I'm gonna pull on. Down and they'll take off. All right, let's go get us another one.